Ethan, how are you doing?
Good.
Yeah, I'm so impressed today. You totally make it by yourself, right?
Yeah.
That's good. But is there any challenge for you today?
Yes.
What is the challenge? The biggest challenge is
I did it wrong.
you did it wrong. Which one's wrong? Which one make you wrong?
This.
Okay. You mix up with the sensor, right?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. That's good. Eventually you fix it by yourself, right?
Yes.
Can you show me how to moving it? Okay. How? It doesn't move. How to move it? Try. Have you pressed A yet?
Yes.
Press it first. A.
Press.
Press A. Yeah. And then move your brain up and down. No point. Is it moving? Andy, check it out. Is it moving?
Mine, but.
No. I'm talking about the programming on Eden. Let me see.
Could I change it first?
No. Click it. Click A first. Click the A. Yep. Here we go. Okay, that's moving. Okay, Eden, you know what? Because every time you skip the programming, I think I would give you to try the few more lesson, just like going back, so that you can redo the program by yourself, so that you can learn more. Is it okay for you?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. See you next time. Okay, bye bye.
Bye-bye.